Suddenly, you find yourself in that moment. A big challenge, or maybe just a small one that somehow feels impossible. And you begin to doubt yourself. You begin to wonder if you're really capable of doing it. What if I told you there's a hidden superpower deep inside your mind? A way to build real self belief, self respect, and discipline. Something most people never get to discover. So let me start by asking you this. When was the last time you faced a challenge? Not some huge life changing event, but a small daily goal you set to yourself. Most people think overcoming adversity comes from talent, luck, or even waiting for the perfect moment. But here's the truth. It's the small daily battles, the moments where you push through, even when you don't feel like it, that truly build who you are. Those are the steps to unlock your secret power. Let me take you back to a moment in my life. It was August of 2024. I was in Hungary, competing in the Kickboxing Youth World Championships. A competition where only the top 2 fighters of each country even get the chance to compete. To even make it to the finals, I had to win 4 fights in a row against some of the best fighters in the world. I faced athletes from Armenia, the UK, Croatia, and Poland. Every single match pushed me to my limits. Every punch, every kick, every round demanded everything I had. But I made it through. Then came the semifinal. I was exhausted, and in the middle of that fight, I threw a kick, just slightly off target. But the moment it landed on my opponent's knee, I knew something was deeply wrong. I had broken my foot. My foot was swollen, and every step I gave sent a sharp pain shooting through me. But that night, I sat on the edge of my bed in Hungary, looking down on my foot. Swollen, broken, and I knew exactly what that meant. I was angry, frustrated, and disappointed. I had trained for years to prepare for this moment, sacrificed almost everything, just for it to fall apart right at the end. Well, most people would have said, well, that's it. You had a great run. You made it to the finals. But there's no way you're able to fight tomorrow. But I didn't think like the majority. That night, right before my world championship fight, self-doubt hit me harder than ever before. My foot was broken and I didn't feel anywhere near 100%. I kept asking myself, can I really do this? Can I really step into that ring and give everything I've got? Will my body even let me? Yet, deep down, I still wanted to go out there and I wanted to fight. Not because I thought it would be easy, or not because my foot wasn't broken, but because of the strength I had built leading up to that moment. The mental toughness that came from every hour of training, every setback I pushed through, every time I refused to quit. See, every single day before that championship, I had given myself small goals during the preparation. Simple things: sleep on time, follow my training plan, eat clean, do the recovery work. And here's the secret. Every single time I kept one of those promises to myself, let's say I stacked another brick of confidence inside me, into what I like to call the trust wall. On the outside, each brick looks tiny, almost invisible, but together they build something unbreakable, a mental wall so strong that nothing could tear it down. That trust wall inside my mind, that is what pushed me into the ring when my body wanted to give up. But don't just take my word for it. Science backs this up too. A study published in Frontiers in Psychology found that people who consistently gave themselves small goals and mastered them were more likely to set even bigger goals for themselves later on. They also developed higher self-efficacy, which basically means a stronger belief in your own ability to succeed. Studies also show that reaching small, well-defined goals doesn't just feel good, it actually reshapes how you see yourself. When people set realistic targets and stick to them, their confidence rises sharply. In one study, participants who achieved the goals they set scored far higher in self-efficacy. That belief that you can succeed than those who didn't set any goals at all. Each small win becomes proof that effort works. Every success, no matter how small, becomes evidence that you're capable of more. And as James Clear, the author of Atomic Habits, explains, every habit not only helps you achieve results, it also teaches you something far more important. It teaches you self-confidence. You begin to believe that you can actually achieve what you set out to achieve. He also shares a powerful example. If you go to the gym despite the bad weather, you have proof and evidence of your commitment to fitness. And the more evidence you have to support a belief, guess what? The stronger that belief becomes. So doing something uncomfortable every day isn't just about the challenge. It's about casting a vote. Casting a vote for your self-believing identity. Trust me, this lesson isn't about kickboxing or sports or medals. It's about life. Because at some point, every one of us will face something hard. A big exam, a scary job interview, a family challenge. And when that moment comes, what will carry you forward won't be luck or talent, not even motivation. It will be that trust wall you've built, that quiet, unshakable belief that you can, built from all those small promises you kept to yourself every single day. For me, it's training, waking up early when I'm tired, doing an extra round when all I want is to go home. But for you, it could be something completely different. Right now, take a moment to think about one challenge you could set for yourself. Is it speaking in public when you're nervous? Taking a cold shower? Running a mile? Finishing that homework you keep putting off? Or maybe something as simple as making your bed every single morning. Whatever it is, it's about building the identity of someone who can. So the day of my fighting Hungary, I stepped into the ring with a broken foot, and even though I fell short, I walked out with something far greater than a trophy. The quiet, unshakable belief that no matter what happens, I will never give up on myself. No matter what I face, I will never give up on myself. That moment taught me that inner strength isn't about trophies or medals. It's about knowing you can keep going no matter what you face. And when you know you will never give up on yourself, you realize that you have nothing to lose. That freedom, that quiet confidence is the hidden power I want you all to find. So here's my message to you. Don't wait for the championship moment. Start building your inner strength now. Start with the little bricks, one by one, goal by goal. Because as John Haywood once said, Rome wasn't built in a day, but they were laying bricks every hour. So I challenge you to do this. Go out there today and do something that scares you. Just a little. Who knows? That small moment of discomfort might just be the thing that unlocks your hidden superpower. Thank you.